The front entry door has not been redesigned for over 100 years.
What we're giving you is a wood door feel, a wood door look, without the wood maintenance. We created the technology that replicated wood grain. The best way to think of NVD is really taking a metal, putting it into a gas, and converting it back to a solid to take on a unique shape.
Yeah, we're in the atom business. We pile them all up in the form of a nickel shell.
It is amazing what you can do with our technology and our passion when you put it together.
Because it comes from the nickel vapor deposition shell, it's a MASTERGRAIN. And I'm telling you, it's identical. You can put our door against a wooden door and you cannot tell the difference.
We want to be known as the company that builds the greatest door on earth.